Hi, thank you for joining me. It is me, Darnell, once again for the Certified Supplier Initiative Dongguan Factory Tour. We will evaluate the factories according to our 5 criteria. This is the product safety, safety assurance system, specified standards, self-export quality, and social responsibility. So if you're gonna stick around, we're gonna know more about this factory, and we are going to be looking into Shing Hing Plastic Manufacturing Limited. So join me, stick around, and let's just enjoy the show. Let's go. So Shing Hing Plastic Manufacturing Limited was established in 1995, and it's a Hong Kong design and manufacturing company. They focus more on PVC animal figures, and they have their own brand, Juvenile, and their licensed brand is the Animal Planet. As you can see behind me, everybody knows that, right? And they have complied with the ISO 9001 standards. They comply also with the AN71 ASTM F963 safety standards. They export mainly in Europe, USA, Japan, Australia, and other 60 regions or countries around the world. Their factory is so massive, it's about 7,200 square meters, and they have about 300 employees in this factory right now. So let's check out more of their facilities, and I'm quite excited because I like these dinosaur figures. So let's go. All right, let me just remove my mask quickly because I'm here right now in one of their spray painting facility. And behind me is actually one of the machines that perform this duty. This machine actually, if you look closely, I have here a blank PVC action figure, right, or a toy. And after the process, it will be painted just like this. That means each piece is more accurate. They all look the same, keeping quality intact and as well increased yield. Right, so right now I'm in one of their 4 workshops, and here alone is already a 500 square meter facility. And this facility houses 18 machines, and these machines are the plastic injection machines. And as you can see, they have these robotic arms. They actually increase efficiency because of automation. And not only about efficiency about these machines, it's also about the safety of their employees, which hits one of the 5 criteria that we're looking for is social responsibility. As you can see, I have to wear a helmet, I have to wear my mask, and also our colleague here even wearing earplugs. So behind me, I was amazed, and I just wanted to share this with you guys because we've been touring different factories lately for the past week, and this really caught my attention because behind me is their dashboard where they can actually monitor the operation, the production line. It shows each machine, which one is operating right now. It's like more like the analytics, so they can analyze the data, they can monitor while all these are being operated. So I'm really excited, and now finally, you know, when I go to factory tours, I always want to go to their showrooms. And I'm here right now in their showroom, and I can see all their products. And behind me, it's a series of animals, dinosaurs, all these animals. We're gonna look into their featured product in a bit, but I want to note, because this is really important, that they have EN71 STM F963 standards, and I can see they also have the record of participation from Intertech. They have the BSCI permits, IETC TP permits, and also they have the ISO 9001 2015 certification. Even the Hong Kong Q, they have their certification as well. All right, so I have here right now is the Juvenile brand. It's their own brand, by the way, and I have an array of other animals that are behind me. And what's cool about this Juvenile brand is they cover different geographic locations. That's 7 continents, that's 5 oceans. So from marine life to land animals, they have it. Now, what's cool about it is, you know, with PVC animals, animal toys, is they're very durable. Probably even if you give this a gift for kids, even if they grow up, they can actually pass it to their younger siblings, right? And they don't go out of style. No matter where you are from the world, these toys are always in style. And Like what I have here, let's just take out the box, and this one cool thing that I like about it. So I'm just gonna do this quickly. So aside from the toys from the box, it comes with this map. Now this map, let's put this down there. Now this map, it's not just limited with what I have right now are the dinosaurs or prehistoric animals. So you'll notice that they have QR codes, and you can download the app and scan the QR codes. You'll know more info about it. Therefore, it's making it more interactive for kids. You know how technology is right now, right? So everything is digital, but still, it's still classic. We still have action figures. It blends both the old-fashioned way and now the high-tech way. So let's check their other product, which is the new one that's gonna be coming out, which is pretty cool. So aside from this, let's go to the other side. Follow me. All right, so in my hand right now, I have the Bueno product line as well, but this is the latest that's gonna be coming out. And the cool thing about this is, I'm really excited about this, is the hologram feature. So how does it work? All right, I actually pre-opened the box, and I have in my hand right now an actual sample. So what comes with the box are the accessories as well. I even saw the cleaning kit to make sure that this accessory is always clean. And you simply install, it comes with a suction cup over here. You just put it on your smartphone. You have the app, and this is more like if you're trying to put your kid to sleep, right, at night, because we're talking about hologram. You may not see it right now, but let me just share with you how it sounds and how it looks like.
Maggie is his wife, and they have 2 kids.
There you go, with a British accent. The cool thing about it is it's like storytelling. It narrates specifically which animal is in the box. So what I have here is the giraffe, and it's talking about the giraffe. And let me just give you a better understanding how it actually looks like is this one. See, that's how the holographic feature looks like. There you go. This one's the zebra, but this one is the giraffe. And yeah, it comes with everything, and things are getting more high-tech. I bet kids will love this. This is gonna be the next hot thing, I guess. All right, but anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this part of the program. We're gonna move to another facility, and let's check it out. So now I'm in a very interesting room, and this is where the quality control is. And it's so interesting. The last part of this video, I'm gonna share something really cool. But anyway, behind me is where they test the thickness of the box, because safety is not only about the toy itself, it's also about the box. Because when you give this to a kid, make sure that the box is safe for the kids and the toy itself is safe for the kids. So I have here, they even test the packaging itself, so how thick it is, and on this part is the when they test the outer box edge, so it shouldn't be sharp and something like that. And this one actually is really interesting. This is the torque test. This is a torque test. And then our friend over here, Ni Hao. I'm sorry, I shouldn't be bothering him. She's doing QC right now. But this is the tension tests. And all these testing machines actually are being fed. Can you follow me? Come here. Can you follow me? All right. Can you take a shot of this one? And this part, what I was trying to mention to you guys, this part, all the tests here are fed to this computer, and this computer actually goes to the big dashboard. So quality is being monitored. All right, one of the 5 categories that we're looking into when we evaluate factories is the social responsibility. And behind me right now is the dormitory building. It is 5-story. It has 40 rooms, and it can house up to 6 people. And this is one of the requirements that we're looking into, because we want to make sure that all employees are taken care of. Each dormitory actually includes as well all the amenities that they need: bedding, air conditioning, internet. So they have all this luxury. This makes sure that each employee is well rested physically, psychologically, so that when they get back to work, they can go about their business or their work and perform well. Behind me right now is their pantry or their canteen. It can actually house 160 people. This is just one of that facility, and they have another one over there. We just passed by it. And as you can see, each and every employee is enjoying the food right now. It is a company-owned restaurant, so as you can see, everybody's having a good time right now. And they're enjoying their lunch actually. All right, joining me right now is Alice, and she's the sales representative of the company. And I just want to ask a couple of questions for the audience as well. And Alice, hello.
Hello.
Thank you for having us here.
Nice to meet
Yep, thank you. And so I just wanted to ask, like, how long has the company been in the toy business?
Around 25 years.
25 years. Wow. So another question is, I know it's really important for our audience, is how about the company culture? Can you share me about this part?
Oh, okay. I'm very honored to be a member of our company. Our factory is very nice and clean. So I want to say it would be very cool if you work here. Our company's CEO, Mr. Kelvin, usually says, not only look down at the road, but look up at the sky. So in our daily work, we usually put our customers in our shoes and cooperate with the development of the whole society. Keep moving with the passing of the time. Now we are working on the road to our dreams. In word, look forward forever, like a Nile group.
Wow, I'm genuinely impressed by. I actually learned like life lessons there. That's really amazing. Seriously. But I have one more question though. But before that, I was really impressed with that. It gives this vision. For the employees, not just treat them as workers, and I'm just blown away with that. But I have one more question, and this is, what about the future? Can you share us what about the future, the company's plans in the future?
We are focused on the development of our own brand window and hope to bring more fun and educational products for the parents and the children to make our window more famous in worldwide. Yeah.
Wow, yeah. Remember, this is the last part of the show already. I was checking out the PVC animal toys and not just action figures. So the future is to make more educational oriented toys. That's amazing. But anyway, it's been a pleasure. Thank you so much for the tour. And then so if you want to catch Shing Hing Plastic Manufacturing Limited, you can message them directly, or you can leave a message to us. Until then, thank you so much for joining us, and I'd like to say bye. Say bye to the world. Bye.